Hi, and welcome to another lesson in how to use the Joomla content management system. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to add a new article and link to it on the website. So here we have the Green Energy website, and you can see under About Us, we have these four sections. So let's say we want to add another section called About Our History. The first thing you'll have to do is go to the Joomla administration pages, and you can do this by adding administrator to the end of the URL. Sorry, administrator. Go ahead and log in with the username and password provided. You can see various options here, but we have a dedicated button for add new article since this is one of the most frequently used operations. So go ahead and click on that. And we'll start off by giving our article a title about history. Sounds good. You can forget about the alias for now. You can leave published as yes and front page as no, and for section, you'll choose about us. So go ahead and put in some content for your article. I won't go over these in too much detail, but here you have some buttons for frequently used HTML commands such as bold, italic, underline, etc. You can even add images through this functionality here. So once you're satisfied with your article, you can ignore these parameters here for now. For the most part, you won't be using them. Just go ahead and click Save. And let's see where our article is. And here we go, about our history. So let's go back to the website and refresh. And nothing, we have nothing here. Well, the reason for that is we actually created this menu and put in links to different areas of the website. So we have to create that menu item in order to be able to see it on the website. Back to our administration page. And here you see an option called menus. And there are four menus that you can edit: main menu, user menu, footer menu, miscellaneous menu. User and miscellaneous are actually never shown, so don't worry about those. Footer is obviously the links in the footer. And the one that you'll be using most of the time is main menu. So go ahead and click on that. And here we see a tree structure that is mirrors what we have on the website. So we're going to create a new menu item and choose articles and choose article layout. And you can see the description says the article layout displays a single article, which is what we want. And again, we give it a title. This title is not the title which appears on the page, but rather what is shown as the menu item. So we'll call it about our history as well, or you can give it a different title. Alias, actually, you do want to pick something this time because this is what will appear in the URL bar and what people will need to type in if they want to go to this page. So we'll say about dash history. And here we have display in main menu because we opted to edit the main menu. If you change your mind for some reason, you can change the menu, but for the most part, you won't need to do that. And you want to choose the parent item. In our case, it'll be a subsection of About Us. We'll choose About Us as a parent. And then the last thing you'll need to do is select the article itself. So here's a list of our articles. And to make navigation a little easier, we can select About Us. And here we have About Our History. So click on that. And it should show it right in this box, About Our History. So that's great. Go ahead and click Save. And here we are, About Our History is the last menu item. Let's go back to our website. Nothing there until we refresh. And there you go, about green energy, about our history. So here we've got a pretty good looking page, except you'll see a big white spot, which is normally where the banners go. So we have one last task to do. Let's go back to the Joomla administration pages. And the banners are actually defined as extensions. So you go to Extensions, Module Manager, and you see all these various banners. If you want, you can filter by the module type, which is mod SIH. That'll get rid of anything else. And in this scenario, we're going to assume that we're going to use an existing banner. So we go ahead and use the About Green Energy banner. Go down to Menu Assignment. And you can see that About Us and About Green Energy were selected. I just deselected them. Let's go ahead, click that. Hold down Control while you hit click, and you'll select New Items. And go ahead and Control select About Our History again. And then you'll see About Us, About Green Energy, and About Our History are all selected. Perfect. We go ahead and save. And what that did is it applied this banner to that page. So we refresh, we should now see the banner. Congratulations, you've just finished adding the first new article to Joomla.